All right. One more for now. Breakers Row, number 3 with 2 EEE. We've got Tiny Iota Yankees, Notorious B.O.B., Diamondbacks, and Blue Jays. Oh, and the last one, really? Oh, yeah, your personal. B Prince, Orioles, Reds, Rockies, and Phillies. Brian E., Indians, Dodgers. Normandy, Brewers, A's. Old Man River, Angels, Marlins. Doug has Red Sox, Tigers, Pirates, Giants, Cardinals, Nationals. Gabriel, Padres. Zero Cools, White Sox, Twins. Marquez, Astros, Mets. Reverse Negative, Rangers. NC Gribbs, Cubs, Mariners. Spedman, Braves. Tim, Royals, and Rays. I'll post more wrestling box breaks if anyone wants to keep doing them. I don't know how much more you guys want to do tonight. Willie Calhoun to $9.99. Ryan Bolt to $200. Feliciano from Milwaukee to $10. Normandy, your Brewers. Arcia to $99. Quad Relic, Zach Gallen. Oh, man. Did you hear that? My whole hand just broke. Eric Stout to $9.99. Dylan Carlson to $75. We have a Marquez for Colorado. Longy for Boston. And a Brian Reynolds to $9.99. Travis McGregor to $9.99. Brandon Marsh to $200. We have Keyston Hura. Where's my sheet? It's not there. Brewers. Looks like for that quad. And Trey Mancini. B Prince, your Orioles. Armenteros to $9.99. Azakar to $9.99. CJ Chatham to $49. JT Riddle to $149. We have Alec Hansen, White Sox, right? And Tim Cate, Collegiate National Team. He is not on a team. We'll randomly give that to somebody hitless. Dylan Carlson to $9.99. Nolan Jones $9.99. Andrew Knapp to $99. Clayton Blackburn Future Threads to $99. Nestor Cortez to $75. And a Lugo to $9.99. What's blurry? Is the video blurry? Hey, well, 4 filled. Dane Dunning, Matt Theus to $99. Duplantier to $2.99. We have JB Woodman to $100. Jake Berger, playoff ticket to $15. Chicago White Sox. And a Jason Jester to $9.99. Nice playoff ticket. There are hits in EEE, too. Isaiah White, $9.99. Chris Rodriguez to $200. Like this Aaron Knapp to $49. Future Threads for Old Man River. Forrest Whitley for Houston. And a Corey Ray. Paddock to $9.99. AJ Puckett to $25. We have Connor Jones. There's Connor Jones to $75. Ducks Cardinals. And Brett Phillips, Future Threads from Milwaukee. Heath Quinn. Kyle Garlick to $9.99. Tyler Epler to $200. Hoyun Park, green to $25 for the Yankees. Tiny Iota. Nick Longy for Boston. Doug's Red Sox. And a Mitchell White. Yeah, we should finish it out. Ian Anderson to $9.99. Blake Rutherford to $99. I was just thinking the same thing. KJ Harrison, sorry. KJ Harrison, Milwaukee Brewers for that one. And another one. We got Trey Mancini's all over the place. B Prince, is that two Mancinis? Nestor Cortez to 99. Let's do all 4. I didn't think you guys were going to fill that right now. I thought it might take a while. All right, box 5 of the case. I haven't seen who it is. Okay. Bryce Harper's 7 of 10. Tier 1 silver auto, Doug. Okay, there are some good cards. 2015 Tier 1 Bryce Harper silver ink. There we go. Okay, that redeemed it a little bit. Now we know it's not complete disaster. There are good cards. All right. The faith has been restored a little bit. Not bad. Not bad. Plus the rest of the case.